Hobbies. I'm so happy this week of midterm exam is finished. Same here. I'm looking forward to relaxing in the mountains this weekend. I've planned a little hike in the woods, and I'm gonna take a canoe trip down the river if the weather cooperates. Oh, fun! I'm going to Michigan. I'm taking my camera because fall is coming fast. The leaves are already turning all shades of red and orange. It will be awesome. Next time you go there, I'll join you. I've heard Michigan is a great place to go canoeing. Gonna is a colloquial form of going to. Other similar constructions include wanna, want to, or have to. These are examples of transcriptions of spoken English and shouldn't be used in a formal context. Weddings. Doesn't the bride look beautiful in that wedding dress? Yes, she looks amazing. And the groom is so romantic. I just heard the story of how they got engaged. He proposed to her during a candlelight dinner in London. Did you know that was where they went to school? Oh, wonderful. And the honeymoon. What a great idea. Most people just go to the beach for a week after they tie the knot. But they plan on heading to California and cruising the coast on their motorcycle. Really? What a fantastic idea! This is by far the best wedding I've ever been to. Tie the knot is an informal way of saying get married.